Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create or sign up for your Comerica Bank account. It is a very simple step. For that, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.comerica.com and press enter. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. At the top right, you can see the option login. You can click over there. Now here, if you have your account, then you can simply fill down your credentials and log in. But as we are about to register, we need to click on enroll. Now we will be led to this kind of page where we need to fill down our basic informations like our date of birth, account number, account type, customer type. After you are done entering your date of birth and your primary account number, here you need to choose your account type. Here are various account types. You need to choose according to your preference. For this video, I will go for checking, savings and money market. After that, you need to choose the customer type, personal or small business. For this video, I will go for personal. Now all you need to do is continue on setup. After that, you need to go through another page where you need to authenticate your account. There, all you need to do is go through a verification process through your email or your phone number. After that, all you need to do is read all the terms and conditions and agree to it. And the last step is to create your web banking profile where you need to create yourself a username and a password. And after that, you are set to sign up or create your Comerica Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.